Hi folks, welcome back again. I promise you want to stop scrolling for this one. Welcome to 32 Academy Crescent, located in beautiful Beechwood community. Experience the perfect balance of style, space, and sustainability in this exquisite 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom family home located at 32 Academy Crescent. So many great features inside. Let's go take a look. Welcome inside, where you'll see right as soon as you get in this grand foyer featuring soaring cathedral ceilings, featuring Ontario Beechwood hardwood flooring, and a custom designed kitchen to boot. Let's take a quick break to admire the local amenities here, featuring a included Beechwood Association membership with a pool and tennis courts surrounded by a park just steps away. Also steps away is the LRT, UW, and Laurier universities. Close access to the highway and back to it. Onward and upward, let's check out this beautiful 4-bedroom upstairs, featuring an amazing master bedroom and a spa-like ensuite. If there hasn't been enough already, let me show you the cherry on the cake. This has an income-generating in-law suite that is fully legal and has a half kitchen with a great bedroom, big size windows, and a separate entrance to boot. This is an amazing income-generating suite. This is perfect for any family in mind. Not one, but 2 oases come with this house. The front yard with the morning sun and the koi fish pond is perfect for entertaining in the morning. And come back here with this beautiful deck and designed backyard with barbecue cookout in mind. Visit me anytime at mikebolger.ca or call me direct at 519-616-2656. Thanks a lot for joining me. Take care, my friends.